In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design with real data in Figma. First, let's make sure you're logged into Figma. If you haven't already signed up, you can create an account on their website, which is quite straightforward. Having an account allows you to save your designs, collaborate with others, and access all the features Figma has to offer. To start, head over to Figma's website. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your account. If you use Figma regularly, you might already be taken to your home dashboard upon logging in. This is where you can manage your projects, view your recent files, and access shared files. It's a convenient hub for all your design needs. Now let's move on to designing with real data. From your dashboard, you'll want to click on the Design tab. This is where all the magic happens. Under the Design section, you'll be able to create new projects or open existing ones, using the array of tools Figma provides for creating stunning designs. Once you are in the Design view, look for the Action button. Clicking on this will allow us to take the next step towards integrating real data into our project. One of the most popular ways to bring in real data is through Google Sheets, a common tool that many use to organize and manage data. To search for Google Sheets, simply use the search bar located within the design interface. Here, we'll look for a feature called Google Sheets Sync. This plugin is what you'll need to merge the data from your Google Sheets to your Figma designs seamlessly. Once you see it pop up in your results, click on Google Sheets Sync to get started. Next, you'll see an option to run the plugin. Click on that and it will guide you through the process of connecting your Google Sheet with your current design. It's an intuitive process, often just requiring a few clicks. And before you know it, you'll see the real data flowing directly into your design elements. With real data integrated, your design becomes far more dynamic and realistic, useful for presentations, and more aligned with how it would function in a real-world scenario. Experimenting with real data also crucially aids in understanding how your design holds up under variable conditions, which can transform your project's outlook significantly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring real-world data right into your Figma designs. Not only does this enhance the integrity of your work, but it also provides a practical context for your designs, making them much more relatable and functional. Remember that with tools like Figma, the key is to keep experimenting and refining your workflow for even better results. Happy designing!